family, welcome. My name is Akaya. If this is your first time checking my channel out, welcome. If this is your third or fourth time, I truly appreciate your support. In this video, I'll be showing you how I'm going to repair one of my clients' locks. Sit back, relax, and check it out. Please don't forget to go ahead and subscribe as well. And don't forget to like and share, okay? Thanks.